New construction. Beautiful craftsman-style ranch home with 4 bedrooms and 3 full bathrooms in Conyers. Features brick front and fiber cement exterior siding for maintenance-free living. Bedroom and full bath on main level. Kitchen has maple cabinets, crown molding, granite countertops, recessed lighting. Tile baths have marble countertops. Master bath has separate shower and double vanity. Brushed nickel lighting and plumbing fixtures throughout the home. Attached 2-car garage with carriage-style doors and garage door openers. Optional bonus room. Frank BETZ Madison plan.